is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and a few weeks ago I shared with you guys my review of the Oru Kayak Inlet, an origami folding kayak that literally goes from a box to a boat in less than 5 minutes. It's incredibly cool, and if you're the type of person who craves adventure, this is one of those things you could just toss in your trunk, take with you wherever you go, and get out on the water whenever you want. I've been having a blast with this thing all summer long. Speaking of, last week I actually took this kayak on a family road trip up to New Hampshire where I went kayaking around Lake Winnipesaukee. This video is basically piggybacking off of my review to show you guys the kayak in action, from taking it out of the trunk to setting it up to getting it out on the water. If you haven't seen my review of this thing, by the way, you have got to check it out. It's a really cool review that I had a lot of fun filming, and I dropped a link to it down in the description box down below so you can check it out whenever you want. Anyway, let us teleport back up to New Hampshire, get kayaking. I wish it was this easy to teleport, but yeah, let's get paddling. What's up, guys? It's Ray back here, and I am not in my studio today. I'm actually in New Hampshire, Lake Winnipesaukee. I believe that's how you say it, but I'm floating right now in my Oru Kayak Inlet. I made a review of this kayak a few weeks ago, and you guys were like intrigued by it. It's a really cool kayak. I can literally fold this thing into a box, and I can toss it in my trunk and take it anywhere, like New Hampshire right here. So I figured, in addition to the review, I would get out there and paddle more so you guys can see this. I'm literally getting blown away by the wind right now, so we better pick it up and let's get paddling. All right, here we go. Very windy. A whole lot of room. We got a whole lot of room in here. We are back, guys. That was just a little paddle with the Oru Kayak Inlet right over here. This thing holds up like a champ. It's a fantastic kayak. You can just toss it in your trunk, take it anywhere you want. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, want to see more adventures, let me know in the comments box down below. If you know of any cool lakes or anything I can go, like any places I could go with this kayak, let me know in the comments below. Also, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon and that thumbs up so you guys can know when new videos hit the channel. Until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.